Oh, this thing's on. Awesome. This is my video attempt number 2. I put that down. I thought I would open up something that I was really excited to open, and I really did open the package, but I didn't open what's in the package that I'm so excited about. So I'm going to do that here. And I don't know how to drop content creators links yet. I hope I could figure that out before I put this video up, because I got a few things that I purchased that I wanted to share. But the very most exciting, perfect one is from my sweet new friend in Scotland, and I do terrible accents. He is Daniel, and you probably all know him already from Paw Ply Yarns, and he is an indie dyer, and his work is fabulous. I've dyed yarn, or I should say I've attempted to dye yarn, and there's really an art to it. You know, it's not just throwing some colors into a bowl and you got yarn. So yeah, he's really perfected it, and he's pretty much famous in the YouTube yarny community. So you probably already all know that. Anyway, so I got his package, and I'm not going to turn the other side, and very excited. And in it, there's a little envelope-y thing. How do I open? And he did send candies, but my husband ate them. My husband's mother's from Scotland, about 2 hours away from where Daniel is. And so my husband's like, I remember those candies. Anyway, his card, if you want to do a screenshot, and an adorable Oslo, his dog, with a shark sticker, which I have to keep this away from my son-in-law. Oh my God, here comes the sun. Keep this away from my son-in-law because he's like, loves the dogs. And then another sticker, which I'm going to be proudly putting somewhere in my house that I get to see it. My invoice, unnecessary to look at, and a beautiful thank you card. And on the back, it says, thank you for your order. I hope you like your yarn. Well, Daniel, I am going to love this yarn. So, let's open the yarn. Oh my God, I'm so sorry for the noises. Beautifully wrapped, and it contains awesome loveliness, and that is so true. I don't even want to rip the paper. These adorable stickers. Anyway, I'll hold it up here, I guess. Figures the sun comes right out in my face. I might have to put my sunglasses on. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me put it this way so you could properly representing. It actually has sparkles in it. It's not only just Pride Rainbow, there's flecks and spark. Oh, there we go, you could see it. Oh my gosh. I am absolutely, the colors are just flowing and gorgeous. And Daniel, again, you're just amazing. And I can't wait to send you your package because I think you're going to like what I snuck in there. These are gorgeous. Just, yeah, I'm in awe and envious of your amazing talent. Well, thank you very much. Oh, wait, excuse me. He didn't eat one of the candies. It's still here. Okay. I know he ate one of them. All righty. Next I would, and that's, these Paw Ply Yarns, and again, I'm going to try to link, and you probably already know him, so it's not a big deal. Now, I've opened this other one from another content creator a little bit ago, but what's going on with my, oh, it's still running, sorry. I have no idea what I'm doing. Rose from Rose Likes Crochet. She is such a sweet woman. I mean, you can't watch her and not just see the kindness and genuine kindness that emanates from her when you watch her. Anyway, she does wonderful stuff with Wings. It's for domestic violence fundraising, and you know, she does donations, and definitely, hopefully, again, I could put her link down for you. Sorry that I'm doing so badly because I'm just winging this, and that's one of my dogs walking by. Anyway, so I ordered these from her. beautiful little bag and a candy that my husband hasn't seen yet. Here's her card. And on the back it says thank you so much for your order, and I do believe I've ordered from her before, but I always go on to her Etsy shop and hit the hearts on all of her products, because if you know somebody that has an Etsy shop, don't just like that, hit hearts on everything that they have on there, even if you're not buying it, because it helps them in Etsy to get better advertising stuff. Anyway, I'm going to take it out of the plastic bag, which I have not done yet. These are 2 stitch markers, and I'm a cat enthusiast, or I'm an animal enthusiast, and look at these incredible little green cats in little coffee cups. And my daughter will probably steal these for earrings, but or an earring. Absolutely, it's like a teal color. I don't know, I'm getting that focusing for you or not. Oh God, they're so beautiful. Absolutely. Again, she's just an amazing content creator. Then I also I wrote it down because I figured I'd be nervous and I would forget. LeeAnn from Crocheting with LeeAnn, who, hi, she's the one that really, like, she did it, I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? So she's thumbs up and thanks to you, LeeAnn. Anyway, she had a live, and I happened to be the winner of a pair of earrings. And I don't really wear earrings all the time, though I have several ear holes because I was young and stupid and drunk, and my daughter and her friends found every earring they could in the house, and all my cartilages are pierced. But anyway, that's another story, perhaps at another time, or not at all. Anyway, these earrings are from Spring at the Spring, the Fiber Enthusiast. Definitely have to watch her. She's so talented. She does tatting. She's got a nice, calm, wholesome way about her that you're going to love her channel. And hi, Spring. Anyway, friggin' love these, because I couldn't even really see what they look like when LeeAnn had them showing, and in real person, in real life, these are, and I'm opening, but I already peeked because I have no impulse control. Oh my gosh. And purple's my favorite color, like many of you, but I did not know that inside of these absolutely amazing purple earrings are paw prints, and I'm also an animal enthusiast. So perfect, perfect, perfect. And even though here comes the sun again. I hope that showed. This is tatting. I'm totally going to watch her to see how she does that. It's intricate work. So I will wear these, unless my daughter steals them from me. She might. And my son-in-law might steal them from me. Hi, Craig. I also want to say hi to my son. He lives out of state. I don't talk to him that often. And he just found out last night that I'm doing this. So, hi, Tony. It's Mom. Look at me. I'm like a YouTuber thing now. See that? And you used to have to tell me how to work all my phones I've ever had. And now I'm doing YouTubing, and I figured it out by myself. Didn't even ask my daughter how to help me. Though I will be asking her. And I'm babbling like crazy. Anyway, which is what I do. Anyway, I also ordered and did not open my first ice yarn. The shipping to get that is really, really expensive, so I've kind of like, geared away from buying it. But Gia at Yarn Nut and Crochet actually sells ice yarn in the United States, so the shipping is a lot less, so you really can get a good deal. So this, and again, I hope I can figure out how to tag all you lovely people. Here's the box that I've got, and I didn't open it all the way. I don't want to show you the label. As you can see, I'm actually opening this. This is my first feel of ice yarn. And I'm already having heart palps. Oh my, let me put the box down. And of course, if you haven't figured out, and even my thing. And actually my sunglasses, just to, if you haven't figured out already, I'm a true ally for pride. Absolutely. Even look at my bag. I mean, really. Big advocate for equality in general. We're all one, man. You know, stop the hate. We're all on the same damn journey. And sorry I'm swearing, but I feel really enthusiastic about it because we really are all on the same journey. Just chill the heck out and love each other, man. You know, we're all going to the same place. We all came from the same place, and we're doing the best we can. Anyway, this is feels fabulous, and this one's stuck in the tape. Anyway, this is one of them. If you could see through the plastic, there's all different rainbowy colors. Thank you, Gia. Yeah, amazing. It's got a little bit of a halo on there. That looks like it's probably a, yeah, right? Don't get old, your eyes go. Everything goes. Anyway, I don't even know where to look for the specs. Morella, I think that's the type of yarn. I don't think that's the color because it has a number on this one. That's 56808. I'm assuming that's the color. I don't think they, oh, there we go. It's a, yeah, 3-weight, I believe that says. And it's 50 grams, 15% mohair, 35% acrylic, 40% polyamide, and 10% metallic lures, and not fishing lures. Though this probably would work for fly fishing. Anyway, it's gorgeous. There's all different, oh yeah, let me put it to the camera. But it is really, really, really pretty yarn, and so stoked to finally have ice yarn at my house. Here's another bag of, many colors instead of a coat. Maybe I'll make a coat. But here's another bag of all the different colors. All very bright and cheerful. And this is the same. It has the same specs as the one I just showed you. So I basically, I could do this without dropping stuff. I got 2 bags of awesomeness, yarny awesomeness. My husband used to freak out about me buying, well, I pay for my own stuff with my own money. We have this really unique marriage of, I have my own account, he has his own account, and we spend our money on what we want to spend it on. And he used to fuss with me a little bit, or make fun of me actually, about my yarn and my crafts. I also do a lot of other crafts. I have wool that I dye. I make dreads. I make felted pocketbooks and whatnot. I wet felted, and I needle felt, and I'll show you that stuff in the future. But I literally have taken over 3,000 square feet almost of the house with craft stuff because I paint. I've been painting since I was a young kid. Not awesome. I doodle, though I sold my first painting when I was like 14, 15 years old. So I guess I'm a professional painter, a professional artist, but you can kick any garbage can and a professional artist will fall out of it. Except for my little surrogate daughter, Alyssa, who she's fabulous artist and does not even get what she deserves for her painting. Just amazing. And she's an amazing person too. And I love you, Alyssa. I hope you're watching this. Anyway, this yarn here, on Babble. This yarn here is, ooh, very pretty. It looked like a cotton at first. Oh, and they're made in Turkey, by the way. I think most of you know that. Yeah, awesomeness. Again, rainbowy colors. Specs on it, 100% acrylic. And it is also a 3-weight, which I can get 1 strand. I can maybe show you. It's a 3-weight. Excuse my nails. I didn't even think about that. You know, I used to always grow beautiful nails, and now that I'm older, and I'm not ashamed to say that I'm 61 and a half, let's do the children things here, 61 and a half, like the last few years, my nails, instead of growing straight out, they curl as soon as they grow. They curl under like a dog. So I don't know what's going on, but it pisses me off. Anyway, I've got 3 skeins of this, and it's 100 grams, 360 meters. Like I said, all acrylic, and a 3-weight magic light. And again, I don't know. I don't see anything on here that has a colorway, but I bought 3 of these, and I'll make something very rainbowy with those. And the only thing it's not really a rainbow, but I thought these colors looked really cool, and I don't even know what I'm making with it. I have a yarn room, literally, ceiling to floor yarn, and it's an addiction, and it's bad. But I guess there's some other addictions that could be worse. This one here, really gorgeous again, gorgeous colors. 3-weight, same specs as the other, but I really like these colors. It just, I don't know, something drew me. Maybe the beach? I don't know. Where I used to live, well, I lived a lot of places, but one of the places I lived was near Nags Head, Outer Banks, and we used to drive out there and like off season, there's nobody there, you walk over the dune, you got the entire beach ocean to yourself, and just amazing. So this kind of reminded me of the Outer Banks, but yeah, ice yarn. So that's it, pretty much. I don't think there was anything else I had to show you as far as like stuff that I've got. Sorry about the crinkling noise. And awesome. So again, I want to just shout out to the wonderful people here, Daniel at Paw Ply Yarns, and Oslo, his dog, and Ashley, and also Gia at Yarn Nut and Crochet. She has an online shop and also does tutorials and things like that. LeeAnn at Crocheting with LeeAnn. She just became monetized. Congrats. And Spring, lovely Spring, at Spring the Fiber Enthusiast. If you're not already subscribed to them, totally do it. Anyway, I haven't come up with like a catchy ending or anything like that yet, so I'm just going to say bye. And yeah, be good, man, you know? Be nice. Love each other. What the heck?